Hey everyone, my name is Carolina Diaz Takio, and my topic is all about analyzing data. About analyzing data, adding in 2019, display that analyzing data does find and to give you insightful analyze about your data. This was previously called ideas. And all these analyzing data task paint and previous call idea. Nandito po ang mga ideya sa link na nandito po ang detalye. And let's proceed po sa sample ng data. Examples for data analysis. Here of the players of top performance of the Axie players. And daily reports and total of SLP. And that's the data analysis. Examples for data analysis. At for the last, and this is the last of the reporting. Thank you.